think it could streamline the process to a point. It's going to make things a little more accessible. It might define a clearer picture or path for the students. It's definitely going to make things across the state, as far as transferability, easier.
A lot of times you have students that will have some sort of a hardship, family illness, something going on, so then they're forced to drop out of a program. And then in a lot of programs there's a sequence of instruction going on. And now in that opportunity for that part of the instruction may not come back for maybe a year in some cases. So if a lot of the colleges are on the same page, he might perhaps be able, if he was at Everett, can drop down to South Seattle, pick up that class in the summer, and then go back to Everett to continue his instruction.
They're really focused on aligning the curriculum. So what is taught at South Seattle, if a student went to South Seattle and then for whatever reason had to go to Everett AMP school, they would be able to pick up right where they left off, and they'd be able to get that credit for that. So that's what's so important about aligning this curriculum and putting them in smaller modules so that if you missed one particular module, you don't have to wait all the way until next fall to pick it back up again.
One of the sort of background pieces of information in this whole deal is that we're trying to make more AMP mechanics. So that's why we need to change some things, because we're really not producing enough of them. And so there's some different avenues different people are trying, but the schools need to try to figure out a way to get more people involved and interested in it. And I'm hoping that the additional flexibility mean that more people can consider coming to our program than can come now, because we'll be able to offer it in a more flexible way.